good afternoon, everyone. Today is the 12th session, and it's mainly IELTS listening test. Okay, it's not a lecture. I'm going to test your listening today. Okay, so as you see from the screen, we will have section 1, question 1 to 10.
Actually, the test was tricky. Seriously, like
Okay.
I'm also sweating, and I don't know.
Yeah, it happens.
It's
It
very
happens.
hard. It's very hard to catch all the answers, and I missed.
Hmm. It was
And
very
I'm worried
difficult
that it
for
will
me
happen
to
again.
just monitor the screen and show you everything, and it wasn't easy.
Yes.
All right.
I'll wait
So,
for that first try. Hope we can do well in the next. But I was not expecting it.
of
What
course,
will be happening to
this
me?
is this is your first attempt, and once we have multiple attempts, you will feel that you are much more confident, and you won't have any nervousness left. That is the purpose of having practice tests. Now imagine you just study a little bit and you go for the IELTS test. Okay,
Yes.
how poorly you will perform that. You didn't practice. Azim wants to say something. Yes, Azim.
So I have a question I want to ask that if there are some questions which we can't guess, but if we
Okay.
leave them empty, that should result in deduction of our marks.
All right. Okay, let me answer that. See, if you guess and you answer some questions and your answer is wrong, you will not get the marks
Yes.
for that. But after even guessing and guessing, still you don't get it. So and you decide that you leave the space empty. That's okay. You will not get the mark for that question. So, Carla, how was the whole thing? Was it your first experience to go for the test, or you have already gone for the IELTS test? How was it?
I have not done a test before,
All
but I
right.
have practiced taking listening tests on YouTube. So it was a good practice. And the only concern I have is like I was always told that for section 331 to 40, that there's no break in between. So
Right.
you have to look at question 31 to 40 and then just answer straight through. But yours had a break. I don't know.
Yeah, I understand. The test which I'm giving, it might be slightly old. So once we finish this one and I go for a complete test, I will go for the latest one. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I think if you take an exam like this every week, it would be very nice for us, and we
Okay.
can justify ourselves and every situation. And today was our first exam, so
Okay.
we can justify our improvement if we take further exam. So
All
I
right.
wish you could take our exam in the future.
Right, I will. I will. I will try my best to take the
Uh,
maximum number of tests. So, thank you so much for your input today. It was a new thing for all of us, but we have done very well. I will share the answer key in our group as well. If you have any question, anything, please share it with me on WhatsApp or on our Facebook page. And I look forward to see you tomorrow.